Good afternoon, Mr. Hari Krishnan. My name is Manish. I am co-founder of Bitkart. Thank you so much for placing an order from Kerala. And I feel so privileged when I receive order from that part of India, specifically from Kerala. We have a lot of clients now, and I thought I should quickly run through the configuration that you've chosen. Cooler Master K501L RGB. Now this is your processor. I'll show it to you. It will be very clear. Ryzen 5 5500. Mr. Hari, this is your motherboard. B450 Aorus Elite. This is all sealed. If you can see this, that's a graphic card. We upgraded to 1650. I think you've chosen an AMD card 4GB. This is a much better card that you've allowed us to build for you. And this is your deep cool power supply, sir. It's all sealed, you can see. This is also all sealed. 550 watts deep cool. That's your sealed. The hard disk drive 1 terabyte. That's your NVMe Kingston 500GB. Right. This is your RAM, sir. Corsair Vengeance 3600 8 gigs into 2. That's your air cooler, Cooler Master, a fantastic choice. This is going to be same company. We'll build it right now and we'll test it for a couple of hours. I hope the build goes smoothly and you watch the live process been happening here in Delhi. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, sir.